6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bernaville, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 50 miles an hour wind gusts to quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ardmore, Marietta, Lone Grove, Dixon, Springer, Gene Autry, Overbrook, Lake Murray, and Bernaville. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Wise and western Denton counties. Additionally, northwestern Johnson, eastern Parker, western Tarrant County, and Hood County all until 6:30. The storms affecting Johnson, Parker, Tarrant, and Hood County are located over Willow Park near Weatherford, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. The storms may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. The storms affecting Wise and Denton counties to the northwest are located 10 miles east of Decatur, moving due east at 50 miles per hour. The storms may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Once again, severe thunderstorm warnings are now activated until 6:30 for eastern Wise, western Denton, northwestern Johnson, eastern Parker, western Tarrant, and Hood counties until 6:30. Line of thunderstorms moving in from the southwest with 60-mile-per-hour winds and quarter-sized hail. A tornado watch remains in effect for the entire area until 10 this evening. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
A civil authority has issued a local area emergency for the following counties/areas. Houston, TX, at 5:35 p.m. on March 21st, 2022, effective until 11:35 p.m. Message from WDFA/CAP. The Rocket Civic Center will open at 6 p.m. tonight till 10 a.m. tomorrow as an emergency shelter. Cots are provided. Please bring your own food, drink, and bedding. Do not try to drive during the storm. Please make plans to seek adequate shelter before it's too late. Heavy rain, high winds, hail, and possible tornadoes are possible throughout Houston County during the night.